Have you ever wished you could predict your date's likes and dislikes before the first dinner? That's what data analytics does for real estate market research. It sifts through vast amounts of data to pinpoint what's trending, what's fading, and where the next hotspot might emerge. Now let's dive into how harnessing data analytics can refine your investment strategies and set you apart from the crowd. Data analytics in real estate involves collecting, processing, and analyzing data to make informed decisions. From historical pricing trends to consumer behavior insights, it's like having a cheat sheet that tells you exactly where to invest and even why. Start with predictive analytics. This tool uses historical data to forecast future trends in property values and market conditions. It's like knowing whether your date prefers a quiet cafe or a bustling nightclub, allowing you to tailor your approach effectively. Next, consider performance metrics. Data analytics helps you evaluate the success of existing investments, providing insights into rental yields, occupancy rates, and ROI. Now, this feedback is crucial, just like understanding what worked and what didn't on a date, helping you refine your strategy for the next one. Now, we also use sentiment analysis to gauge public opinion on different areas or type of properties. It's similar to checking out reviews before picking a date spot, ensuring you choose a location that's well received. Now, why is this important? Because in today's data-driven world, intuition isn't enough. Data analytics equips you with evidence-based insights, reducing risk and maximizing returns. In the next episode, we will cover future trends and predictions in commercial real estate. Just as you would anticipate your date's desire to plan a perfect evening, we are going to forecast where the market is headed so you can align your investments accordingly. Remember, the goal of using data analytics isn't just to follow the market, it's to lead it. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real estate.